In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix home screen wallpaper not blur on iPhone on iOS 18. So if your home screen wallpaper is transparent, just like this, you may choose to blur it or unblur it. So here I'm going to show you how to fix this. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do, when you want to fix home screen wallpaper not blurred, you just swipe down from the menu like this on your iOS 18 to go to the lock screen, or better still, lock your iPhone and then unlock with Face ID to enable lock screen. While on the lock screen, press and hold the screen, click on customize, then locate home screen and click on that. Then once you click on that, locate blur at the bottom right, click on this. You see that? So this is going to blur the home screen wallpaper. Then if this is not checked, this is going to unblur it. So once this is blurred, click on the done button at the top right. Then go back to your iPhone home screen, and you should see the background blurred like this. So it's can easily blur home screen wallpaper on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.